Hi guys, this is Mark Shawson, the Pattern Trader. Before I talk about last week's weekly video report, I just want to share with you a trade that I sent out in one of the weekly video reports a few weeks ago in the British pound versus the US dollar. Now, for a long time, the pound versus the US dollar has been in a pronounced downtrend, but I saw some patterns and price action that suggested that pound versus US dollar was going to go the other way. And I sent this email to our weekly video report members a few weeks ago on the pound versus US dollar. As you can see in the email, I recommended going long the pound versus the US dollar at a price level of 128.37. And I ended up exiting about just shy of 350 pips north of where I entered this trade, and pocketed just shy of six figures on my trading account in this trade. So I've actually been on a monster tear, a monster run recently. I hate to toot my own horn, but the trades have been phenomenal, and our members have been on a phenomenal run. So with that said, in last week's weekly video report, I focused a lot on the New Zealand dollar. For many years, the New Zealand dollar was the weakest currency on the board, and I believe it's going to resume back to that status. I see the New Zealand dollar weakening against a host of currency pairs in the next couple of days and the next couple of weeks, and talked a lot about the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. And I also talked about the dollar versus the yen and the pound versus the Japanese yen. These trades, the yen trades, have also been in long-term downtrends, and I suspect they're going to go back in the direction of the trend. So if you would like to understand a little bit more about my price action, price pattern trading methodology that helps me identify and capitalize on monster moves in the market, then I highly suggest you check out my weekly video report. Now, the weekly video report is available for any price you want to pay. So this is a no-brainer offer, something that you really shouldn't have to think about. You decide what you want to pay for the value of this kind of information, and then just hit the download link associated with this video. So I look forward to seeing you on the next weekly video report. And with that said, I wish you a healthy and prosperous trading week.